Straive vision is operationalizing AI. So we believe there is, in today's world, and there's no better solution for enterprises than leveraging data and AI, and more important, embedding into their operations. So our value to enterprises, one, it's not just creating the models or the analytical solutions, but more important, how do you embed into the enterprises so that they realize the value coming out of the data, coming out of the AI in a quick, rapid way, leverage the benefit of it. Look at it, we go to the market more of an industry driven. So we want to be number 1 and 2 in the industries where we are in. We have chosen 6 industry verticals. We are number 1 in science and research and education. And we are kind of, going into the market so that how can we get the leadership positions into the banking and financial services, pharma and life sciences, manufacturing and logistics, media and CPG. So made some great strides, and our approach has been more like industry-driven arrowhead solutions, which we say we have a point of view on how it has to be kind of implemented. And we position ourselves as a tech-enabled services organization. Our intent is not to sell the products, not to kind of lock in the enterprises. More important, create technology accelerators so that we are able to kind of create faster go-to-market solution for clients, understand the business process, bring in predefined accelerators, predefined solutions, customize for the business value, so that the clients see results in 4 to 6 weeks. And more important, we stay with our clients, operationalize the AI, what we bring to the table, and provide the continuous value. And if you look at it, we measure value in 3 E's from our perspective as a value to enterprises. Experience, how can I create a great experience with data and AI? Efficiency, that's what the clients care for. How can I improve their overall operations? Make sure that if today you're doing an X amount of work for $100, how can that happen in $80? How can that happen in $70? And it happens continuously over a period of time. Third most important thing is enhanced revenue, which is what we call as 3E. So how can I increase their top line? How can I improve their bottom line? Overall, provide a great experience by leveraging data and AI. So given this vision, given this value proposition, we go focus on key markets, primarily North America and Europe for us, and few of the strategic clients across the world, cut across few defined verticals where we would like to be in leadership position.